Can you find the roots of this expression? Most students stop at the first one. Now let's dive into it. S cubed plus 6 is equals to 0. Now S cubed plus 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to 0. Now this is a cubic expression. We shall factorize. S minus 2 into bracket S squared minus 2x plus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 2 is equals to 0. S is equals to 2. Now this is the first real answer for this expression. Now can you finish the other roots before I do? Now let's continue. S squared minus 2x plus 4. Now we have the numerical values here. A is equals to 1, B is minus 2, and C is 4. Now we shall introduce quadratic equation, which is S is equals to minus B plus or minus square root B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Now we shall substitute these numerical values inside here. So we shall have S is equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root B is minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 all over 2 times 1. So we now have 2 plus or minus square root 4 minus 16 all over 2. So which is 2 plus or minus square root minus 12. Now this is an imaginary root. So remember that I square is equals to minus 1. So therefore, square root minus 12 will give you square root 3 times 4, which you now have minus, which you now have 2i square root 3. You know, square root 4 is 2. Then this is an imaginary square root 3, I square root 3. So you now replace this square root minus 12 with this expression. So you now have 2 plus or minus 2i square root 3 all over 2. Then divide this expression by 2. So you now have 2 into bracket 1 plus or minus I square root 3 over 2. This one cancel this. So S is equals to 1 plus or minus I square root 3. Now the values are, for this expression, the concluding values for this expression now become S is equals to 2, S is equals to 1 plus I square root 3, and S is equals to 1 minus I square root 3. Have you done yours? Did you finish all the other root before I did my own? Now if yes, don't forget to subscribe for more Olympiad Maths tricks like this. Bye bye.